The options are narrowing in the sector. Legacy acid clay reactors are now clashing with legal regulations and failing to meet product quality standards. As a result, many businesses have been forced to spend massive budgets to completely replace their infrastructure. But what if you don't have the time or the massive budget to rebuild your entire plant from scratch? You don't have to fall behind the market. With a smart addition to your existing system, you can instantly elevate your product quality to the very top. VAPORIS 1000 is designed on fully modular skids with a plug-and-play principle. The system arrives at your site with its assembly completed down to the last screw, and all tests finished in our factory. You won't have to deal with heavy welding work lasting for days, and you will never stop your main production. The modules are lowered onto the site, their connections are quickly completed by our expert team, and your plant is commissioned in a short time, ready for first-class production. Here's the new power of your facility. The modules have been placed on site, and our unit has been flawlessly integrated into your existing recycling line. Moreover, throughout this entire process, the operation of your current system remains completely unchanged, and your production does not stop for even a single moment. While your plant continues to operate uninterrupted in its usual routine, the quality of your product is instantly elevated to the next level. Because commissioning the VAPORIS 1000 is so highly practical, simply drawing a single pipeline from your old system's filter unit is all it takes. The low-value yellow base oil merging from the filter unit, the final step of your existing facility, and still containing heavy odors, light fractions, and solvent residues is first transferred via that single pipeline we mentioned into a strategic intermediate storage tank that keeps your production uninterrupted. Then, it is continuously fed into our modular unit, entering a brand new process to be transformed into an odorless first-class product with a high flash point and multiplied commercial value. Developed for the final quality improvement of the recovered base oil emerging from legacy reactor and filtration systems. This modular system offers an integrated process that maximizes energy efficiency and product quality. During the operation, the filtered oil is drawn into the system by a controlled feed pump and first passed through an economizer. Here, the thermal energy of the hot product exiting the system is utilized to preheat the incoming oil, thereby minimizing heat losses and fuel consumption. Next, the oil having reached the required process temperature and a thermal oil-supported heater is transferred to the flash distillation section, operating under vacuum. In this stage, low boiling point components such as fine solvents, light fuel fractions, and moisture are separated from the main product and condensed in a condenser. This step reduces the volatile matter content of the product and improves its stow flash point. Afterward, the oil is routed to the steam stripping column, where it is brought into counter-current contact with dry, superheated steam injected from below. This ensures it is completely purified from dissolved odor compounds and any remaining solvent residues. The processed base oil then passes back through the economizer to transfer its energy to the incoming product. It is subsequently cooled in a controlled manner, passed through final filters, and dispatched to the storage tank. Thanks to this process where all parameters such as temperature, vacuum, pressure, levels, and flow rates are continuously monitored by PLC-based automation, and advanced safety system CU can produce a recovered base oil with reduced odor, an improved flash point, and consequently a much higher commercial value, all without having to modify your existing facility.